8 foodies, 2 farms, and a whole lot of fun. The Best Food Facts Taste Tour 2025 officially kicked off just outside of Indianapolis, where bloggers got a deep dive into sustainable U.S. farm-raised fish and seafood.
Anytime I told somebody that I'm going to a fish and seafood farm in Indiana was like, what, how, what is that? How does that work?
First stop, Honolulu Farms.
So yeah, we've been in this square mile since 1923.
Where Leland Meter, a 4th-generation farmer, turned a pig barn into a barramundi farm, a fish native to Australia.
If you drove by, you'd never know it's an aquaculture building. It just looks like a building out in the middle of a bean field. But there's a lot of magic happening inside the barn. We're with these fish every day. We're constantly making sure that they're eating what they're supposed to be eating. The water quality is exactly the way it's supposed to be.
At Honolulu, sustainability is top of mind, with water being exchanged every 45 minutes.
There's 99% of the water every 45 minutes goes around in a circle.
Going through a filtration process, the valuable solids are then used to fertilize the family's soybean fields.
And I'm continually just surprised by how much work the farmers do, right? Like, they are controlling so many different things, the quality, the feed, the water. That is really what is most impressive, I think, to me.
Healthy water means healthy animals at nearby RDM Shrimp Farm, too.
This water is 15 years old. We've been reusing the same water. We call it Guardians of Water because that's literally all we do. I run 9 tests on these tanks every day. Our farm-raised shrimp are very clean. The only thing that's in their tanks is water, salt, shrimp, and feed. So it actually consists of fish meal, cornmeal, soy meal, algae, and vitamins. That's all that's in their food.
The animal husbandry part of it is really admirable and fascinating. The amount of time and energy they take in learning how to best feed, maintain, and care for these animals. And not just that, but keep them healthy and sustainable.
At the tail end of the 2-day adventure, the foodies do what they do best: make amazing recipes. This time, delicious fish and seafood dishes created by East Coast chef John Lavera.
So all of these recipes are designed to be super easy and to use ingredients that you can find anywhere. So if you guys want to pair up.
We are making a 3-fish gumbo. Yeah, tilapia, halibut, shrimp. So it's gonna be yummy.
Cut them in half and then cut them in half again, and you get nice little slivers like that big.
I love seafood. As a dietitian, I'm always recommending that for those healthy fats, for the protein, for B vitamins, and seafood cooks up so quick.
With a dark roux, that together.
You know, a few minutes and it's done, so it makes it really fun and accessible for people to make.
It was the perfect and tasty ending to a tour that left lasting impressions.
It was really cool to see the U.S. aquaculture, how much it's growing, and how much work the farmers really put into their craft.
I want consumers to be more aware of, reading labels. It doesn't take that much time at the store to read the labels. It's important to know where your food is coming from.
If you're buying farm-raised from the United States, you know that it's safe, you know that it's regulated, you know that they're doing it the right way, and I'm going to be looking for farm-raised from the U.S.